Hi, welcome back to the workshop. Thanks for clicking on this video. Let's jump straight in with this build. I'm making a cart for my niece's wedding reception to serve some batches of aromatic gin made with my sister-in-law at home. The cart will have the words gin lit up in marquee style lettering. This video will be making the gin lettering. Using my jigsaw, I rough cut some MDF for my letters. It's easier to do it outside than in the confines of the workshop. Heading back into the workshop for the next step. For some reason my camera focused on my elbow rather than the MDF, but you can see that I'm actually gluing on some patterns. Using my bandsaw I cut the letters out, and with the magic of video editing you can watch for 4 times the speed. Once again my elbow gets in the shot. Sorry. After giving everything a quick sand, I use a nail to punch the centre of each hole that needs to be drilled. I peel off the pattern and then use a metal scraper to remove stubborn spots of glue. And then it's back to more sanding. Now for the drilling of the holes for the bulb holders. I'm going to be using a set of garden festoon party lights from Amazon that happen to have a 20mm holder. Therefore I can use my 20mm force bit. Rather than stopping every so often to clear the waste, I grab a paintbrush. It means I can leave the drill running. Again, more sanding, this time in preparation for paint. A few coats of bright red paint will be sufficient. And there's the finished sign. No, I'm only joking, but I might have to hang that up in the workshop. The letters are wrapped in aluminium flashing, again from Amazon, which I want to be cream on the inside. After scuffing the surface, I use some cream spray paint to coat them before attaching to the letters. The aluminium can be easily bent with a square. As long as I'm careful, I won't damage the paint. The easy way to attach the aluminium is to shoot some pins in. The wood blocks that you can see I'm using are just giving me the correct spacing at the front of the letter. Some of the more difficult pins need a gentle tap with a hammer. Then, to fix any joints, a little CA glue is applied, clamped, and then the whole item is set aside to dry. This is repeated with the other letters, working my way round. It's a very satisfying job to do. The next step is to push the festoon bulb holders into their holes and fix them with hot glue. I make sure there are no gaps and everything's nice and level, and that I've glued some wooden blocks and cut a 6mm MDF backplate, the same size as the front. This was really tight fit and hard work to get in. To hold the backplates on, I drill and screw into the blocks I mentioned earlier. A couple of supports are added. It's laid face down and sprayed black. And here's the finished letters in all their glory. I hope you like them. The next video will be on the cart. Thanks for watching.